Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm having a look at the Broil King Regal Pellet Grill. So I've got this beast of a pellet grill here to review and try out, and I've been giving it a good workout. I've cooked steaks and I've cooked brisket, and I've tried lots of different things on it just to get a feel for how it cooks, and I must say I'm very impressed with it so far. It's brilliant. So when I was assembling it, I was very impressed with how sturdy and well put together it was. It's a heavyweight and it's really well made. Solid metal. It's got double lined door here, and the rest of the metal feels very thick and sturdy, and I really like how it's put together on the cart, and the chimney and everything is really well thought out. So we're going to have a look into some of the details on it, and I'm going to show you some of the things I really like about it. So you've got the main cooking chamber here. It's a nice size. Get a couple of briskets in there, I reckon. I reckon about 3 or 4 pork butts in there, and plenty of chickens, probably 4 to 6 chickens, and yeah, there's lots of cooking space. Pellets go in here. Ample room for pellets. I've not had any bridging problems or any other issues, so the pellets have always gone down really nice and clean, and there's a nice slope on here, so they all seem to follow through nicely. There's a nice stack up here that's adjustable. You can do it down or set it open. That allows you a little bit of control. I like that. A lot of grills haven't got that. Underneath there's this interesting device here, and you can see here that catches the ash underneath, and when you move this over it allows it to fall. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, some of the ash from a previous cooking there. You simply turn that good shape, I find, especially if it's a bit stuck, and there you go, clean, ready to cook. Make sure it's shut for the next cook, and job's a good one. I'm shaking that one backwards and forwards, that's what it is, and there we go, the ash in a nice little pile underneath. Clean that out, job's a good one. As you can see, there's a nice series of baffle plates. They come apart, but there's this one here, that one there separate, the main heat deflector and fat guard, so the fat drips off the food and then runs down there into there, and there's a pot underneath which catches it. The fat is all trapped in here, you can see some of it there, so you can chuck that away and job's a good one. Ideal. I really like that it comes with these sturdy cast iron grates as standard. They are wonderful. It's great to get a good sear on steaks with these. Fantastic. They're going to last for years. You can see it there with the grates in, and the top shelf, there's really quite a lot of room to cook on. That's pretty impressive. So I reckon at least a couple of racks of ribs on that top one, a couple of briskets or a few pork shoulders. That's some good smoking area right there. One of the things I really like about this grill is that it comes with a rotisserie as standard, and it's a superb quality heavyweight stainless steel job with a nice mains powered motor here with a big red light on off switch. That looks pretty beefy, so that could take a fair decent bit of meat on there. Look at these, fantastic quality. You could just tell that is the business. So you obviously remove these grill grates here, and you could have a couple of chickens on there, nice porchetta, and yeah, I'm certainly going to be cooking some of those on here, but I love that. So the control panel is a bit of a beast. It's a fair size screen. I'm going to turn it on here. As you can see, you're probably not going to need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can see that up the other end of the garden. It's a fair size screen and it's very clear and easy to use. You can control it with this here and then press it to set and off it goes. I find it warms up really quick, and about half an hour and it's at maximum temperature, 315 degrees C. If you're somewhere in your garden and you can't see that screen, then there is a Wi-Fi with this, and you can hook it up to the internet, and there's an app on here, Broil King app, that's pretty easy to use, and I like it a lot. There's two high quality temperature probes here, and they hook in down here, so that's nice to see too, as standard. And you can get some set temperatures here, so like a smoking temperature 107 degrees, a roasting temperature 176, that's good for me for like chickens and things, and turkey. And you've got a searing temperature there. So I've been seriously impressed with this grill. As you can see, it's well put together, well thought out, some really nice features on it, and the quality is superb. Very impressed. If you're looking for a pellet grill, make sure this is on your radar and check out the prices and what the dealers are offering. So some good deals knocking around on it. It's a great grill and I'm very impressed. Hope you've enjoyed this review. I'll be doing plenty more cooks on this grill for sure, and hope you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Take care. Cheers.